Good morning, students. Today we are going to start module number 2 of chapter 4, Climate. So, we are going to study the main topic in this module, that is Indian monsoon. Indian monsoon. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds. The sailors who came to India in historic times were one of the first to have noticed the phenomenon of monsoon. They benefited from the reversal of wind systems as they came by sailing ships at the mercy of winds. The Arabs, who had also come to India as traders, named this several reversal of the wind system called as monsoon. So students, here we can see the atmospheric condition over the Indian subcontinent in the month of January. As you can see in this map, the winds are entering from the Indian Oceans and they are retreating back from the Bay of Bengal. As you can see in this map also, atmospheric condition over the Indian subcontinent in the month of June. As you can see, the monsoon winds enter through the Arabian Sea. As you see students, the monsoon in India enters in the first week of July. So as you can see, the first state to receive rainfall is Kerala, and then after it enters into the part of northern India. What are the factors or the facts of mechanism of the Indian monsoon? In India, the monsoon are experienced in the tropical area roughly between 20 degree north and 20 degrees south. The following facts are the mechanism of monsoon. First, the differential heating and the cooling of land and water creates a low pressure on the landmass of India, while the seas around experience comparatively high pressure. Second one is the shift of the position of intertropical convergence zone ITCZ in the summer over the Ganga plain. This is the equatorial trough, normally positioned about 5 degree north of the equator. It is also known as monsoon trough during the monsoon season. Now students, in the previous slide we have discussed about intertropical convergence zones. Now let's study in brief. The intertropical convergence zone ITCZ is a broad trough of a low pressure in an equatorial area. This is where the northeast and the southeast trade wind converge. This convergence zone lie more or less parallel to the equator, but moves north or south with the apparent movement of the sun. Third fact of the mechanism of monsoon: the presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar. Madagascar is in Africa, nearly at 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. The intensity of this pressure affects the Indian monsoon. Second, the Tibetan plateau gets intensely heated during the summer, results in strong vertical air currents and the formation of low pressure over the plateau at about 9 km above sea level. Fifth one is the movement of westerly jet stream to the north of Himalayas and the presence of tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during summer.